this video, I will teach you how to sell your gift card on Mango Card app in 2026. Go and download this application called Mango Card app. It is available on Apple Store and also on Play Store. Do you understand right now? And after you download it, make sure you open it like this, and it's going to look like this. And you can see down here, you can see don't have an account, register now. Click on register now, and it's going to take you to this interface. Put your Gmail on here, and after you put your Gmail on here, make sure it is an active Gmail, because you are going to get a code with it. The next thing you are going to do is you can see verification code, leave it first and jump to where it says password. Make sure you create your password like this. For example, let's say Godwin. Make sure you start with capital letter. Do you understand? Finish it, then add number at the front of it and any special character like this. Do you understand? After you have done that, put this referral code. You can see that the referral code is optional, but if you use this referral code, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira, I think, and they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use this invitation code, you will not get any welcome bonus, and they will not reward me as well. So I will say, please use this invitation code to register. So after you put this invitation code, go back to where it's a email verification. You can see sender at the front of it. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send code to your Gmail. Take that code and put it here. Immediately you put that code here before it expires, click on register, and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own personal account and show you step by step how to sell your gift card on Mango Card app in 2026 and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Let's go, guys. Let me log in. This is my own personal account right now, and now you can see this how it's going to look like. Let's say now you want to sell your gift card. This is what you are going to do. You can see this side. Just place your finger on it and move it like this to see the type of gift card you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell Razor Good. I'm going to click on Razor Good. Do you understand? It's on Razor Good, and you can see the second line is to choose the country of your gift card. You understand right now? Let's say my card is USA. I will now choose USA. You can see it's on Razor Good and it's on USA, and it's going to list the vendor that are available. It's only 2 vendors that is available right now, and this vendor Lisa is taking $10 to $1,000. Do you understand? And the second one is also Lisa is taking $1 to $9. Do you understand right now? The minimum, the limits. Now let's see for GBP. For GBP, that is pounds. It's only 1 over. Let's go for Amazon. Let me see Amazon, US Amazon. Let's see how many vendor we have. Okay, we have a lot of vendor for Amazon, and you can see this one Lisa is taking $500 to 1,000 naira, $200 to 450. Make sure you choose based on the limit of your gift card. If you want to sell $100 gift card, don't go and message a vendor that is a limit of $200 up. Do you understand? It should be the in-between of what you want to sell. Do you understand right now? Now, let's say we want to sell, you can see this one is taking 250 to 250, only $250. 250 to 250. Do you understand right now? Now, let's say we want to trade $100. We will not go for this one that is 500 to 1,000. We will not go for this one that is 200 to 450. No. We will not go for 250 to 250 limit. No, we will go for this one that is taking $100 to 150. Do you understand right now? Or we will go for this one that is taking $10 to $495. Do you understand? Or we will go for this one that is taking $10 to $500. Do you understand? Now you now click on sell now. Sell. Do you understand? And it will take you to this interface. After that, the next thing you are going to do is to put the amount of your gift card here. Do you understand? Let's say $100. Do you understand right now? So they will calculate the money in their Chinese language, in their Chinese currency, and they will also calculate it in naira down here. You can see it is 95,360 naira for $100 US card. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are gonna do is to write the code of your gift card here. You can write the code of your gift card here, and you click on submit. Or if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, just click on this box and you can see gallery. If you click on gallery now, it will take you to your phone like this. You can say go to continue to visit some of my picture. Do you understand? You can see right now. So let's say this is the image of the picture that I want to sell right now. I'm going to click it and upload it like this. Do you understand right now? I will now upload it. Do you understand right now? I will upload it like this. You can see it has uploaded. I will now click on submit. So immediately you click on submit, they will fill your picture, your image, and they will credit you in few seconds. It will say success, and your money will be available on your balance. If you go to your balance like this, you can see down here, you can see home, message, account. You can see account. Your money will be available on your balance like this. You can see the balance I have here is 3,500 naira. Now to withdraw your money, this is what you are going to do. You can see home, message, account, order, user. Click on user. Do you understand right now? You can see bank account. These are all the money that I've withdraw. I've withdraw all this my honey. You can see bank account. Click on bank account. Do you understand right now? And you can see add bank account. Click on it. Then select the bank you are using. If you click on it, it will show all Nigerian banks. Then write the name on your account and write your account number and click on submit, and your account number will be added successfully just like this. Now to withdraw your money, this is what you're gonna do. When you go back to account, account, you can see I'm on account right now. You click on withdraw, and if you click on withdraw, you write the amount you want to withdraw. Do you understand? After you write the amount you want to withdraw, you can see sell now. You will click on sell now, and your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So this is a step-by-step how to sell your gift card on Mango Card app in 2026. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. Then like this video and also share it for more people to see. One love.